Thank you for joining my channel. This is how to draw easy floral illustration and create your unique products. In this short video, you will draw with me this kind of very easy floral illustration, and later on you can use it to make your own placemat. It's beautiful, isn't it? Or you can make your own wrapping paper, mugs, deck card, and so on. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to give me like and subscribe my channel hannyhoney. To draw this easy floral illustration, what you need is only paper and pen or marker. Any brands you can use it. Also micron pen or thick pen or just a common color pen or Sharpie. And you need a piece of paper or you can draw it in your sketchbook. You will draw this first flower. It's very easy. So after you make a stem, you make 3 circles in the middle and then just follow my pen. I make a leaves like that. Sometimes I make my video move faster to save the time, but you can draw as slow as what I did. This flower is very beautiful because the leaf is thin and the below, and if you go up it will be thicker. You can see my sketchbook as a reference too. For the second flower, make a stem and then you create many circles more than before. And then to make the leaf, I always move a little bit, a kind of shaky hands on my pen, so you can see the leaf is not smooth line, not straight line, but always a zigzag here and there. For the third flower, I will print this one. So you make a circle and then again a shaky leaves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You make 5 leaves and then in the middle you give stem and then you put lines and a little dot on it. Now look at my sketchbook. We will practice so many different type of floral illustration. This is our creativity, our imagination of flower. Flower has to be look like our flower in the garden, right? So this is so fun, so interesting to draw many type of floral illustration. We continue now. After 2 leaves, now we make 3 leaves. You just follow like what I did. The third one is easy. Just make a stem, a little oval or circle, and then make 2 leaves on the left and on the right. And then continue flower number 4 and so forth. Just enjoy this drawing and listen to the music. This flower is my favorite. It's like a cocoon, right? You make a big one and then you draw again smaller, smaller and smaller and then a little bit on top of it. And then later on you can draw it on your mugs or you can make other unique products. I draw it on the mug with marker, or I make a wrapping paper on a white or brown paper and a very cute text. But sometimes your diary, your journal, or your book, you can give it another new book cover. You also can make greeting card on black paper with metallic and gold pen. It's very beautiful. Or you make a big wrapping paper like me. Or you can draw it on envelopes. Or even you can make it as a placemat for your children or your family on the dining table. It will look so nice. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to give me like and subscribe my channel Honey Honey.